Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is Stephen Clark from Triangle and the lovely Jason and Amy from CCL TV. Thank you both, or all three of you, for being here. It's really, really lovely to see you. And Stephen, we've got WMX Americas coming up in a few days. It's really exciting. How are you feeling about it?
Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me back. It's a pleasure to be back. I'm really looking forward to it from a professional and personal standpoint, because Miami is a beautiful area to do business, and I've had the pleasure of being a part of our events there for 4 or 5 times now, and each and every time there's a great atmosphere, and I think that's because we're overlooking gorgeous places like South Beach, and the clients and professionals I've been speaking to in the industry are very much looking forward to being back in person, live and face-to-face, talking to their fellow professionals.
So tell us about WMX and CCL's partnership. What can we expect from the event?
In a nutshell, what you can expect is to re-engage face-to-face with your partners and your potential customers. CCL have been supporting the Miami event for a number of years. I can't remember off the top of my head how many years, but it's been longer than I've been at Triangle, let's put it that way. And you guys put a lot of importance on networking and staying engaged, not only with your industry, but also you're looking to play a part in the conference and actually see what the latest insights are, what the latest conversations and what's important happening in the world right now.
And tell us about post and parcel market value and the clientele that are going to be at WMX. What kind of thing are we expecting from that side of things?
The demographic, the audience demographic, is senior level professionals who play an integral part in the post and parcel industry. So we pride ourselves on putting on, 5-star events in 5-star locations to give it that premium, relaxed and intimate feel that helps all of our professionals have brilliant conversations with one another, and just an overall all-round brilliant networking experience. And
what are your thoughts about CCL being a support sponsor at the event?
I'm delighted that CCL are playing a big role in the event. It would be just a pleasure to have you guys attending. So the fact that you're helping to power this event, to help it happen, is really, it's a great thing for not just me, but the team in general. We're delighted to have you back.
Well, we can't wait to be involved as well. And can you tell us if there have been are there any new sponsors or any technology-based companies that are now registering their interest in the event?
The great thing is we had a lot of sponsorship happen very early on, which suggests to me that there is motivation and a lot of enthusiasm for companies and brands to start promoting themselves again at in-person industry events. And I wouldn't say we've had last minute sponsorships or exhibitions, but we're certainly still getting people sign up for the event, and we've got well over 280 officially signed up guests for this event. So it's shaping up to get back to how it was 2 years ago. And then that's exactly what we want. We want to have as many people from the industry there, having as many conversations as they possibly can, and learning as much as they possibly can.
How do those numbers fare on 2020's event?
Similar, if not more. Similar,
Really?
if not more. Yeah. So again, suggests that there's a real appetite to get back networking and catching up with your partners.
Yeah. Well, we had an event in Dubai at the end of last year, and there was a real feeling of, people were excited to be back and being face to face with each other. You could really, get that vibe in the room, couldn't you?
Yeah, definitely.
And now, Jason, actually, so we
Yeah.
are going to be, or CCL are support sponsors of the event.
Yeah.
So from a business development perspective, what are the benefits and opportunities of attending an event like WMX?
Yeah, so as Stephen said, CCL has been part of the WMX family for as long as he can remember or he cannot remember. So, so yeah, CCL, as a very unique service provider in this industry, we are always being in this neutral position as a gateway logistics provider, and for the whole of the e-commerce industry. To be able to secure this sponsorship, we've always been looking to expand our contacts, our network, and also there are potential opportunities as well. I think WMX is probably the primary network that we joined that we have secured most business with.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's I think this business network really bring us luck.
Mm-hmm.
So we're looking to definitely bring more business on board, and looking to gain insight in the industry, as well as promoting our new service such as return solution as well.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So a good partnership all round.
Yes, definitely.
And Stephen, what are your thoughts about CCL TV being WMX's media partner?
We are really happy that CCL TV are playing a part in the event from a selfish point of view, because it enables us to have more exposure. And I've seen the work that CCL TV, yourself, Nadia, and everyone else is doing to not only promote CCL as a brand, but also helping to share valuable insights, especially on LinkedIn, because I know you guys are regularly providing content on LinkedIn, and it's not just content for content's sake. It's really valuable content, and I know that you've had some really big interviews with some really senior players. So I feel very privileged to be sharing that airspace with the, or airtime, should I say, with the people that you've also had on. I don't think I'm as important as them.
Of course you are. You were one of our first people we had on last year. It was last year, wasn't it? Yeah, I think we interviewed you in February. So start as you mean to go on. Amy, what are your thoughts about this partnership?
I would say the same as Stephen. We are also very happy, and we are thrilled to be chosen as this media partner with WMX Americas. And in terms speak of CCL TV, we set up this platform since early 2021. So indeed, Stephen was one of the first interviewees with us. And so far, we have created more than 80 interviews, I would say, within the industry, and also with the suite level delegates. And for this time, we bring CCL TV to the WMX. Our main objective is to providing this educational and thought leadership content, and we'll make sure that's all accessible to all the attending and sharing content. Also, the collaboration, I would say, is the key strategy.
Can I just add something as well
Yes,
to what
please.
Amy's just said? Because I said, what kind of value is CCL TV bringing us? Well, that's kind of like a selfish response. Actually, what CCL TV are also going to bring is added value and exposure to every single guest we have, because the more the world moves on in this modern way, the more people are aware that not only should you be promoting your own company brands, but it's also really important to be promoting your own personal brand. And the fact that you're going to be there, Nadia, with the crew, and you're going to have, your cameras there, it just means that not only are people going to be learning what's happening in the world right now in the industry, not only are they going to have the ability to network with people face to face there, they've also got the opportunity to have digital exposure to promote themselves. So that's the added value of the actual individual guests that are going to be there.
So, Stephen, can you tell us about the challenges and developments that Triangle have faced over the last year?
Okay, I can do. And Nadia, you could probably already assume this. We've had a mixed bag in terms of response. Some people, when we're putting on this event, for example, we've been having many conversations with all sorts of professionals and companies. you've got on one side, people are so eager to get back networking with their partners, promoting their brands, having brand new conversations to win business. And then on the other side, which is also equally important, professionals and companies are playing it a little bit safer due to the climate in the world right now, which is totally understandable. So, and you're also getting those people in the middle as well that are not too sure whether or not they should go out to international travel and speak to their partners. They all want to, but also you've got to be a bit safety conscious as well.
Absolutely. Now, Jason, CCL are going to be one of the few customs clearance and cross-border providers at WMX Americas. Tell us about that.
CCL has always been lucky to enjoy this unique position in this kind of network events, because lots of the members, they are end-to-end delivery partners. They provide a whole logistics solution. But CCL is a very crucial part because we provide the customs clearance service, and we use our own in-house developed IT system to facilitate that. So, and also we provide a full return service as well, especially with our new e-turn app and our duty drawback service. This is really benefiting all of our partners and customers. So being able to be this support sponsor, we're showing our customers and potential customers our ambition to continue to be the market leader in the gateway logistics. So I think, this is a really good opportunity for us to secure some more business, hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Yes.
And Amy, what are you most looking forward to about the event? Obviously, chatting with colleagues and catching up and new business. What else?
I would say CCL TV, because we've brought CCL TV last year to a few different conferences with different market focus. So this time we are quite looking forward to support WMX with CCL TV and to engaging with the WMX Americas delegates. And also we're going to bring this new exciting launch of the CCL TV app to the WMX event as well.
If you haven't downloaded the app, go to Google Play or the App Store. Thanks, Stephen. You could just do my job for me. And Amy's got a copy there. Excellent. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see you at WMX Americas, and we're really looking forward to working together. So we'll see you then. And don't forget that CCL are much more than packages.